The operative word in the term EDC, everyday carry, is everyday. It implies daily use, which to some might come through something like AirPods and to others, a pocket knife. You might have an outdoor-specific EDC or one for life in the city. Or you might gear your everyday carry towards no place in particular and instead for the flexibility that travel requires, in which case you've come to the right place indeed. Bond Sanitizer is a mini hand sanitizer dispenser. Keeping our hands clean in public is more important than ever to prevent the spread of disease, but hand sanitizer isn't always the easiest thing to keep in reach. In the midst of the ongoing COVID-19 worldwide pandemic, this mini hand sanitizer has become more important than ever. As such, thanks to the Bond Sanitizer wave, you can now be a bit more protected from those pesky germs at all times and start spending some quality time with the people you love the most. The Bond Sanitizer wave is a wearable personal hand sanitizer belt accessory that works by being easily clipped onto your waistband, belt, or ultimately your bag so that you always have immediate access to hand sanitizer gel with a single touch. Silicone ring bottle holder clips and transports most standard-sized reusable bottles anywhere drinks are needed. Take your water bottle with you wherever you go and don't worry about not keeping your hands free. Perfect to clip onto your backpack, handbag, gym bag, or clip onto a belt or pants loop. Whether hiking, climbing, camping, biking, or adventuring anywhere inside or out of doors, it's easy to stay hydrated with refreshment within reach. Simply slide the silicone ring over the bottleneck and clip on the carabiner. It's great for sports drinks, iced teas, and other beverages. It's compact for easy storage. Tiny bags that easily fit in your pocket and are made to be brought everywhere, ultra-light, ultra-strong, ultra-foldable. You won't believe how small these little premium bags pack. Designed to be both practical, comfortable, and sturdy, these are convenient to carry in your pocket at all times and easily carry 66 pounds. It's constructed with a soft diamond ripstop polymer fabric, allowing the bag to fold easily and neatly into a small pouch without tearing. The fabric also has an additional nano coating, making the bag water-resistant. It's so light in weight and ultra-thin that you won't even notice carrying it. The large padded handles make the bag super comfortable to hold and easy to carry over the shoulder, even when loaded with heavy items. Unlike single-use paper and plastic bags, Nanobag is made with environmentally conscious materials. This helps reduce pollution. The Matador Pocket Blanket is a tarp for picnics and outdoor outings. It's lightweight and compressible, though very thin. Whether you're going out on a camping trip, family picnic, or an open concert, a blanket is a must. However, a normal blanket just doesn't cut it for the outdoors, especially in wet and muddy conditions. Not only is it hard to pack inside your backpack, but it also isn't likely to be waterproof either. That's why you need a pocket blanket. Its material is highly water-resistant and easy to clean. Built-in metal stakes help secure it to the ground. These nifty blankets fold down to the size of your smartphone, and it's completely waterproof. Moreover, these highly capable and versatile products don't cost you a fortune. They're fairly inexpensive. KableCARD is a revolutionary design that integrates all the essential and most frequently used cables connectors. It's also designed to be as small and light as a credit card with a thickness of 0.3 inches only. It's a compact card that integrates all the essential and most frequently used cable connectors. Additionally, when it's plugged into any power source, you can use the KableCARD to wirelessly charge your devices. With KableCARD, you don't even have to think about which type of cable to bring. Just slide the card out of your wallet or pocket whenever and wherever you need. The Aurelle Toob brush is a toothbrush, paste, and carrying case all in one for convenient, compact travel ease. The Toob brush features soft rounded nylon bristles that are easy on the gums. The handle is made of durable plastic and comes in 6 colors: blue, green, pink, black, orange, and clear. The bristles are protected with a removable cap, which is vented to allow the brush to breathe. Toob brush is a travel toothbrush that you fill with your own favorite toothpaste. The secret is in the handle. It conceals a special tube which you can fill again and again with any toothpaste. The tube unscrews at both ends, one end to fill the tube, the other end to dispense the toothpaste. This toothbrush is a favorite of camping enthusiasts, dentists, and dental patients. It's great for the whole family. Ostrich pillow is a natural fiber pillow that is easy to clean and maintain. Ostrich pillow was made famous for its interesting-looking travel and nap pillows that cover the head or wrap around the neck. These innovative pillow designs offer the ability to get away and get immediate comfort while traveling or working. However, in terms of comfort and long-term usability while sleeping, sleepers have mixed things to say. Ostrich pillows are designed to be more than just a travel pillow. They claim their pillows are perfect for napping at work, boosting productivity and imagination. Some of their pillows are even fashion statements on their own, with secondary uses as scarves and ear warmers. The creators of the Ostrich pillow had all the same concerns about afternoon rest and relaxation, and they wondered what would happen if they could turn their head into a pillow to help address these needs. Less bacteria means less odor. Embedding natural and environmentally safe antimicrobial properties, AMY specialty yarn permanently inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria, mold, mildew, and algae on fabric. AMY extends garment life with less discoloration and degradation. Mega Grip 2 SorbTech is an advanced slip-resistant fabric that is ideal for use when the application is firm and doesn't require stretch. Like the original Mega Grip, this non-slip fabric offers superior grip in wet, dry, hot, and cold conditions. Both slip-resistant fabrics in this line are 100% expanded PVC with an applied high-quality non-slip surface, and they raise the bar for slip-resistant grip fabrics. SorbTech catches moisture, moves it away, and releases it for quick evaporation. The yarn is breathable, which leaves the wearer cool, dry, and comfortable. This is a cloth that sticks to itself. You can wrap it up in 1 second and get a pouch, bag, satchel instantly. Nanotechnology also gives it incredible stickiness to prevent any accidental fall of your precious gears. This magic wrapper is amazing. It can stick strongly with front and back, and both sides are soft materials. XL is the best wrapper to protect a 15-inch laptop, telescope, and medium format camera, etc. L is the best wrapper to protect SLR camera, digital camera, iPad Pro, and 13-inch laptop, etc. M is the best wrapper to protect camera lenses, handheld platforms, iPad and AirPods, etc. This device will save so much space in your bags and luggage. Anker is definitely one of the prominent brands, and it shows with one of their latest power banks, the PowerCore Fusion 10000. The power capacity of this portable charger is double than Anker's PowerCore 5000, and that would be 10,000 mAh. This charger doesn't really feature any fast charging tech, even with its use of a USB-C port, but we'll get to that later. PowerCore Fusion perfectly combines the reliability of a wall charger and the convenience of a portable charger. It takes the best of both charging worlds to create Anker's most versatile charger ever. Simultaneously, charge 2 devices with 45 watt for your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Chromebook, or most other USB-C laptops. You also have 18 watt available for fast charging an iPhone 12 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S21, Pixel smartphones, and more. The use of USB-C ports with many of the devices that we use each day is growing quite rapidly. USB-C is the new standard, and so it's able to provide a more accessible ecosystem of charging and connectivity between many devices on the market. Along with devices using USB-C, many charging electronic brands are now starting to use USB-C ports with their chargers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here.